Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on Facebook, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook app, and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.